So I heard you don't know how to make the modesty panel. Let me help you out. So I'm going to show you how to cut it accurately to make sure that it balance on your back. You know, some of them they pop out. You get, so I'll be showing us the measurements needed to get it well done. So you can see how nice it is. If you want to see a video on how I made the corset itself, is boss caging, stick around, turn your notification bell up. So here now, I have already cut on the fabric, which is the crepe. So here is the measurement. On the upper part, it is 10 inches. On the lower part is measuring 8 inches. Then the full length of the panel is 11 inches. Okay. So now this is what you do. Depends on how big the person you are making it for is. If you are using 8 inches for the upper part, the lower part should be 6 inches. Then you make a slant, okay? So here now, I'm cutting on the lining. After that, I will go ahead and iron hasty to the fabric itself, okay? So like I say, let's say you are using 6 inches for the upper part. The lower part will be 4 inches. It should be 2 inches bigger than the lower part. So here, I've ironed hasty on the fabric. I'm going to place the lining on the fabric and we're going to sew it like this. So we're closing the slant part and we're leaving the straight part open. So here I've gone ahead to sew it all around and I've turned it and I've ironed it. So you can see the slant part, right? The slant part is going to the right hand side, okay? While the straight part is coming to the left. It is the straight part that you place on the corset and sew on. So how do I do it to achieve a neat finishing? You see that last line that we use as a bunny channel, that last line, that's where I will sew on straight down. So here at the sewing machine. Now when you are placing the panel on it, make sure that the panel is not exactly the same height with the main corset body. So you come down by 1 inch, after the yoke, come down by 1 inch. So that, because if you place it exactly, it will pop up. If the person might just sit and it will pop up. Do you understand? So you place it 1 inches lower, then you start sewing. Now, if your full corset is like 15, your panel should not be more than 12. Do you understand? You leave 1 inch up, then you leave 2 inch down. That's how it will relax perfectly on you or your client. So I'm just following that bony channel line to hold the panel on it. So after sewing it all the way, tighten it, this is what we have. Okay, you can see how neatly done it is. It is really very easy. If you find this video helpful, like. Thank you.